Start.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another one of the experiments of the Ultimate Science Kit. And we're on experiment 4, which is the litmus prep. Now this is not totally an experiment because this is actually a preparation of a solution that we need to keep for 1 day. And then do all of these other experiments using that preparation. So for this, we need litmus powder, which I've got here, chemical 4. A test tube, which I've got here. Yeah. Water, which I've got in that cup. A pipette, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it should be this thing. A spoon, which we got here. And a small airtight container, which we got here. So now let's go to the first instruction. Scoop less than a full spoonful of litmus powder into a test tube. So this is my spoon measuring, and this is my litmus powder. Oh, I just realized I need a scissor. Okay, I've got my scissor now. I'm gonna cut a little opening here. I'm bad at cutting openings, so I'm gonna try my best. Does that work? I don't think. Is there one opening now? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, I think I need to cut a bit more.
At the moment you're looking like an Indian flag. Orange, white, green.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. No. Okay, this will take a few hours.
That's fine.
Okay, now it said scoop less than a spoonful into the test tube, so less than a spoonful. To be really cautious in the amount you're putting in. Oh flip. Yeah. It's coming out. Actually a dark shade of blue.
What is it again?
Litmus powder.
Litmus powder.
Is that enough? A bit more.
What does it say?
Less than a spoonful.
Oh, that's enough.
I'll do it. I think this should be enough. Got a bit left over. I think I'll put a bit more.
I think that is given for 1 spoon only. Leave it. I think that's enough.
Is it? Okay. Now this is the difficult part. Putting it into the test tube. I may need help. To be really, really slow in putting it down so that none of it comes out. This will take a few minutes because you do it bit by bit. You have to put the whole. Don't do a full packed spoonful of this though. Do like about slightly more than a half. About 3/4, I'd say. Okay, that's done. Okay. So you might be wondering what this dark blue thing powder is. So this is actually a mixture made of lichens and dye and different things. And lichens are an organism which is made by combining fungus and a specific type of algae. So this is what this sort of is, and it's usually to test something acidic or something like that. Let's move on to a second instruction. Add water until test tube is halfway filled. Okay. I'll use my pipette for this. I'm a bit bad with pipettes. Okay. halfway full. As you can see, this is insoluble. Doesn't mix with water. It's almost like sand. Blue sand. Is there water in this? No. I thought there was. It looked like. Okay, I think that's enough. I almost forgot about the half full thing. I think I need to get some out. Let it settle. Let it settle. It says secure cap and shake well to mix.
Where is its cap?
Is there another test tube that I was supposed to use? Oh, this is its cap. I think. Is it?
I think so. Just put it like that.
Okay, so as you can see, the water is almost purple from the litmus powder, and it's almost dyed. And now it says to secure the test tube's cap and shake well to mix it. The thing is, I have no idea. Is this how you do it?
Is it secure? Tight enough?
I think.
Yeah, I think that's it then. Yeah, that was a cap.
Yeah.
That's how you secure it.
I thought it was the other way around.
No.
Okay, yeah, secured now. And it says shake well to mix. Oh, so that's all you needed. Water and litmus powder and just shake it. Okay, I'll just shake it like this. It's not leaking. Yeah, it's not. So mix the whole thing nicely. It's almost becoming like a whole black liquid. Look.
You said it insoluble, but it is soluble.
Yeah, I guess when you mix it, it's, I don't know. It looked insoluble before. So I've mixed it and now realized the whole thing has become black. The whole mixture is black, and on top is released some purple foam. I think I might mix it a bit more. So much litmus remaining. Okay, now that's it. Now what does it say to do? It says now set the mixture aside for 1 day while the solution forms. Wait, hold on. So instead of this, I'm gonna just put this here. Okay, so I've mixed it now, and it says to store it in this airtight container that we've got. You can use any airtight container. I've got a small one. The smaller the better, because there isn't really much to store. And you have to keep this for 1 day in the container to let the solution form. Look at that. Let's pour it into here. So disgusting. Why did nothing come out? Okay, so I got the solution mixed and it's in this airtight container. I'm going to leave it for 1 day for the rest experiment. So stay tuned for the next experiment after this.